Mira. Mira, help me out. Let's open up these. You got a Porsche 911 GT3, 71 Lamborghini, Miura SV, a Lotus Emira. Hey, hey! Estos guys. Okay, Mike is gonna open the Lotus. He wanted to open the Lotus. Which one do you want, with the Porsche? Alright.
Sorry. Brett.
Very cool.
Oh, try.
911. Here you go, buddy. Micah. We got the Lotus. Open it up. Let me see it. And I'm gonna open up this beautiful 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. So cool, man. Look at that. Kind of here chilling. We're fixing up some chairs for family business and for my wife's family business. The kids came with us. It's on a Saturday. There you go. Exotic supercars, always ready to race. Trying to entertain these guys. Just came from a car show. I'll put some pictures. Very cool. Let's check this out. This is gonna be mine. It's a beautiful car. Check out Lamborghini, 71 Lamborghini. Get chula. This one's very cool. Recommend it. Pick it up. And see you guys in the next one. There we are. Very cool castles. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you in the next one.